Hello, my name is Eric Larson, and I wanted to take a moment to invite you to come out to our doTERRA leadership event.
We get to hear from our executives, we get to hear from top leaders in the industry. You get to take your business to a different level.
Don't miss an opportunity to be with other leaders live. It could be just what your business needs for next year, and you may not even know it.
Had I not attended leadership in person, I don't know that I would have had the belief in myself to know that I could do those hard things and be successful.
We need to see each other. We need to hug each other. We need to laugh together. We need to learn from each other. And we can do that when we're all together in one place at leadership.
It wasn't just the knowledge that I was getting, it was that closeness, that community, and that love from my peers. It filled me up, and in turn I was able to come back and project that into my team and breathe life back into my team and back into my business.
I'm talking ownership, I'm talking a smaller group of people where you get this intimate setting where you mastermind, and we all want to feel like we're not alone, right? You come to this event and you will leave fired up, inspired, recommitted.
Every major decision that I've ever made at doTERRA has been at a leadership type of an event where I've been able to strategize and think about the future.
I was very grateful for the product knowledge and the business tips and tricks, but I have to say the biggest impact that leadership had on me was the connections that I made with other leaders.
So I hope you'll be there. I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll join the rest of us who are coming live.
Can't wait. I hope you get your tickets soon and bring your team members too. I'll see you there.